Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to swap left and right mouse buttons on Logitech MX Anywhere 3. Let's begin! Currently, if I will go and press the right mouse button, it will, behave like a right mouse, and if I will use the left, it will behave like the left mouse click. However, we can easily switch that if we just go to Ubisoft Connect. Logitech Options. And if you don't know how to download this application, we have a tutorial video on that. And then in the mouse section at the bottom, we have swap left and right buttons. So we simply click it. And as you can see, a little arrow appeared, meaning that they are now switched. So if we press left click, it will behave like a right click, and right click will behave like a left click. And if you want to switch it back, we have to go back to our Logitech Options, but we cannot press left click, of course. So we press right, and we also press right in order to swap it back. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.